Hello friends, welcome back to Pathshala. In today's session, we will discuss some functions of the kidney. So the first and the most important function of the kidney is kidney excrete mainly the nitrogenous waste and other waste materials from our body. In human system, the main nitrogenous waste is the urea. It also excretes the creatinine, bilirubin that produced as a byproduct in different reactions that occur in our body. So the main function of kidney is to excrete the nitrogenous waste along with the other waste materials from our body. Means it makes our body toxic free. Second one, the second function, the important second function is it regulates or it maintains, rather I say, it maintains the osmoregulation in our body. Means it actually helps to determine the water content, or it helps to fix the water content in our body system, the preferable water content in our body system. So it maintains or it helps to regulate the osmoregulation process in our body. The third one, or the third most important function, it also maintains the mineral balance in our body. It actually regulates the sodium, potassium, calcium, chlorine, all these kinds of mineral balance in our body system. It actually eradicates the excess amount of mineral that is present in our body. So it helps to maintain the mineral balance. The next one is it also helps to maintain the pH balance in our body. So it also helps to maintain the pH balance of our body. Means our body fluid, some of our body fluid has some acidic property and some of our body fluid has some alkaline property. So it helps to regulate the pH balance of our body fluid. And the last part is it also regulates the blood pressure. Yes, it has the function of regulating the blood pressure level, because the excess amount of plasma fluid that present in our blood may rise our blood pressure level. So to control this or to maintain that static blood pressure in our, or optimum blood pressure in our body, it also regulates the blood pressure by eradicating excess amount of water that is present in our blood. So these are the five major or five main functions of the human kidney. So thank you so much.